You know what? The peeling on this, on carrots, the outer peel, there's really a lot of vitamins there. And you know, these have been washed thoroughly. You get a little dirt in your teeth, so what?
Yeah.
So we're gonna make our slaw. So when we looked at what was in the bag, with the beets,
Right.
and with the kohlrabi, and we had the carrots, but hey, there's not one thing to do. Take a Julienne slicer. Watch how simple this is and fun. Look what happens.
You do love
right
that,
here.
don't you?
And again, we're gonna eat the peelings on these. I enjoy doing this for some reason. I really don't know why.
That's fun. Look how perfect you're cutting these.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Nice job.
Now I could probably cut those in half. There's a good start on our slaw. All right, so now
Put these in.
now we're gonna take our beets, and we know how good beets are for us. Now Nikki's holding the beets with a paper towel, so she doesn't have purple fingers.
For days.
Now beets are such a wonderful, wonderful food. And people say, you could eat those raw. Sure you can. You can use
Love
all
beets.
kinds of salads. Nice, natural, sweet flavor. Good for you, good for you, good for you, good for your circulation. And they taste absolutely wonderful.
Yes, they do.
All right, let's put our beautiful, wonderful, colorful beets in with the carrots.
I'm trying to keep my fingers clean.
You know, we had mulberries out and the birds got every one of them.
Wow.
Every one of them. But birds got to eat too.
Yeah.
All right, now see
All
where
right.
we're going here? Now we're gonna just take a little bit of the hide off of this. All right, now as you can see, the outside is tough, the exterior is tough. So once you get all that stuff off, you can come back and shred, shred, shred. Look at what we got here, Miss Farmer.
Looks good.
See there?
Yeah. We do continue.
You wanna do it?
Yeah.
Now one thing about these, the outer layer is really tough.
Yeah,
You
it
gotta
is.
get that off before you can.
But they
Julienne
taste really good.
Oh, they really do. So look what we got here. Look at this wonderful mixture. So there's our colorful, beautiful slaw. Nikki, if you want to keep adding that.
Okay.
And then look at that right there. That's all
Looks
we need
good.
first. Look at that. Is that not beautiful? So we got this cabbage sitting over. Did you hear what it said?
What?
Like, hey, what about me?
Yeah.
Hey guys,
Yeah.
sorry.
So we eat them later.
We don't need you.
We don't. I think
We'll
so.
make soup out of you later.
Yeah.
But look, is that not beautiful?
That is pretty.
So let's go ahead and I'd say we got maybe half a cup of mayonnaise in there. We're not going to use all this.
Yeah.
But we're going to be making slaw in the next couple of days for.
So there's even parts
for
of
some
sugar.
folks. Got a birthday party coming up.
That's right.
What is that? A tablespoon
Yep,
of both?
tablespoon of each. See
And
what
that
you
ought to
think.
do it. Smells right.
Smells delicious.
It's
That's
right
good.
there.
That's
isn't it?
delicious.
Now, if you wanted to put some people put a little celery seed in it. It's all fine and good, but I like it just like this.
All right. How much of this you want in there?
Let's go one heaping tablespoon at a time and just
All right.
see.
Just pour a little.
Yeah, see where we end up. We don't want to overdo it here.
Maybe a couple like that. See what you got.
And we're gonna let that chill just a little while. Go ahead. We're gonna need
A
some
little bit more?
more.
Yeah, I think more. I think it's so good. It tastes delicious on it. And you know, the more it sits, the more flavor it's going to take on. Our
Let's
little salad.
put some plastic on top of that and pop it in the fridge.
I'll do it. How's your slaw?
That is really good.
That's really good.
You almost get a little bit of a turnipy flavor in there.
That's good. I like
From
that too.
kohlrabi.
This is a good
And
combo.
you got the nice. Oh, beets coming through now.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
ooh,
good.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.